Magdalena, weißt du noch, was ist? Weißt du noch, was ist?
Hey, gut. See? Come on. Easy. Thank you. Say your card. Breakfast and yogurt. Thank
Okay.
you. Gusto ko yung yogurt nila.
Sarap.
Kain muna tayo. Sarap yung pagkaasim niya. Ito basurahan.
Walang maasim eh.
Parang ma-milk na, parang yung sa McDo
Matamis.
na vanilla shake.
Sisi yes.
O, parehas yun na.
Eh, nagkuha ko lang.